Hi everyone, this is Rob Roy of Elliott Wave Options, and welcome to this trade review of our recently closed trade ID number 230 on Alibaba. There's a couple really interesting things that I want to point out to you in this trade review. First of all, it was a call debit spread in our impulse strategy, and a lot of people were thinking that that seems a little risky to put on a bullish position on Alibaba, which has been in the news as one of the China-based stocks that the administration is considering delisting. Nonetheless, it worked out really well as we returned for the second consecutive closed alert over 100%, this time 120% in 45 days. And I would like to highlight the dot plot, the mark-to-market daily dot plot that we do. I've mentioned this numerous times, and I like to highlight this and focus on it, emphasize it, if you will, in the fact that option trades quite often reflect a loss until the move that you're expecting to occur happens. And then once that happens, you jump into a profit. And this is another example of that. People get uneasy, and you can understand it with their money when a trade is showing in the negative. And in this case, you can see that it was down 68% at one point in time before rallying to earn that 121% gain. So the entry was sent out as an alert to our subscribers on July 10th. It showed up as a bullish selection in our proprietary search, and then we applied Elliott Wave to note that it was in a wave 3 to the upside with a really strong DMI. The DMI just doesn't look much better than that. Slight concern in the fact that even though we had gone sideways for a day or two here, still slightly overbought from the 10-day moving average, hence the idea to, or the decision to go ahead and put on a spread that gives you some flexibility. And as you'll see, that came into play nicely. And our target price right in that wave 5 tap box of right around 290. So Alibaba decided to go ahead and go sideways for a bit. So on August 21st, we sent out an adjustment. We do this a lot with Elliott Wave Options, is we move as the chart moves. We're not just stagnant, waiting, twiddling our thumbs for what we hope to happen happens. We react to what's actually happening. And in this case, Alibaba went sideways for a while. It held that wave 4 level and then started to move to the upside with the fact that we weren't going to have any more of a significant pullback in this move higher. That was the opportunity to go ahead and buy back the short call. I'll show you the actual alert in a second. The target price of around 290 stayed the same. So here was the alert: buy back the 320 strike call, which was the short leg of the September 300-320 long call debit spread. Well, in today's trade, stock moved again to the upside, second consecutive big, nice upward day, and boom, hit our target price. Spot on. And notice what happened. Right as we approached where the 5 is in the center of that tap box, stock started to pull back. We closed it out intraday as soon as our target price was hit, and that's how we were able to achieve that 120+% gain. Was there any consideration to hold it a bit longer? Well, now we're a little bit more overbought than we were at the entry. So you make over 100%, your target price is hit spot on. Don't get greedy. Take your profit. Elliott Wave strikes again. Target price hit spot on. Hope you found that informative and look forward to talking to you again next time. Take care, everybody. If you like these recordings, I'd like to invite you to join our new Trade Finder Live, where each and every week we do a live webinar where we talk about the market, but we also go a little more in depth into the technical analysis system that we utilize to forecast where the market's likely going to go, and also to identify trading opportunities. Get your free subscription today. Take care, everybody.